Hi guys, so this is just a quick video to show you how to access the server that we're going to be running the database on so that you can actually run some queries. So a lot of you noted that you were on Windows. If you were on Linux, say Ubuntu or CentOS or Red Hat or something, SSH should already be installed by default in your terminal. Same can be said for Mac. If it's not installed on your CentOS, use yum and install it. Same, aptitude if you're on Ubuntu. If you're on Windows, however, you're going to need to download something called PuTTy. So you can get here just through Google SSH on Windows. It's the second thing that pops up. Download PuTTy. It's putty.org. So you can come here. It'll bring it here. You want download PuTTy. So just click up here. And then these are all for the x86 version if you're running 64-bit. I just looked up 64-bit PuTTy, and it brought me to splunk.net. So I downloaded this one. I'm actually running the 64-bit one. It seems to be working fine. It doesn't really matter. Either one should work on the system. So you can see it. It's over here populated on my desktop. So if I open this thing up, it's going to throw me a warning real quick. But I'm going to email all of you some information in terms of your username, your password to get into this server. So this is the server IP address, 107.170.247.63, and you'll have a username. So if we come in here and look at this, when we go down to connection data, when we open PuTTy, it says, what username do you want to log in with? You can use your system name. My system name is Jake, or you can just have it prompt you. So I'm going to leave it to prompt me. And then if we come up here and look, it just asks for the IP address then. So if I just throw that in there, and I say open, and it's going to open this PuTTy window, which is essentially a terminal on Windows. If you've ever ran a command prompt, it's basically the same type of thing. It's just that it allows SSH. So it asks me who I want to log in as. I want to log in as JLake. It asks me for my password when I hit the server. Type in my password. Okay, I'm now logged into this server, which is running Ubuntu. So I see there's no files. Where am I? I'm at home, JLake. So if we go back, you'll see, there's all the students have an account here. And then there's also this CITPT 413 folder, which everyone is going to have access to. And right now it doesn't have anything in it, but that's kind of where some files and things are going to go in the future for when you need to actually log into this system. So if I go back to my home dir, the way that you use Postgres here is simply with the command psql. So we'll get into this a little more in another video when I'm back on a Mac, but just to show you guys how to get in here, I'll cover some more of these commands and things like that as well, so don't freak out if type in a bunch of things you've never seen before. Just wanted to show you PuTTy and that it allows you to SSH to the server, which is really what's essential here for going forward. So that's all with that. Thanks.